Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Bullish internet computer IP cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $60.14 and $113.59 by 2030. Market experts accept IP could reach $46.77 by 2025. Negative internet computer market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.69. Internet computer IP presentation. Digital currencies have been an enormous accomplishment, while likewise being a misfortune circumstance worldview for certain clients. Thus, dealers and financial backers are continuously searching for cost conjectures down to the littlest detail and need to know the solutions to these as often as possible. Got clarification on some pressing issues. Is an internet computer IP a decent purchase? What will internet computer be worth in 2025? What will internet computer be worth in 10 years? Putting resources into any digital currency for the long and momentary will be completely examined. Internet computer acquired prominence just after its send-off due to its quick exchange speed, expanded scaling, and lower processing costs. Thus, IKE permits clients to deal with a decentralized organization, dissimilar to other blockchains on the cloud. This digital currency guide will reveal all that you really want about internet computer and their elements. In any case, our essential spotlight will stay on the IP cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. Internet Computer IP, a decentralized blockchain network, offers limitless internet speed and enormous help for dApps' brilliant agreements. The Dfinity establishment laid out the IC to change the internet into a top-notch processing stage. Internet Computer has a phenomenal group that has made shrewd agreements that empower designers to make dApps. What's more, the Internet Computer gives limitless versatility and significant level security through a particular arrangement of checks. IP varies from different organizations on the grounds that its blockchain, which has amazing usefulness, is available to general society. IP has decreased computational expenses and sped up for its clients around the world. Thus, the exchanges are finished in under a moment and at a small cost. In the customary concentrated Internet, IP is presented decentralization. Engineers and common Internet clients hold the computational power on the Internet computer stage. Chain key innovation guarantees this. Chain key innovation abilities the IP and permits it to add new hubs from subnets to carry out blockchain scaling. It additionally replaces broken hubs and updates the convention to fix bugs. On the IP stage, the versatility technique takes into consideration checked exchanges. For example, utilizing a solitary public key on the Internet has improved on the exchange interaction. The Internet Computer, the world's quickest blockchain, has broadened the Internet with its computational power. It serves web content straightforwardly into programs, permitting the shrewd agreements dApps to work 100%. The Internet Computer utilizes chain key cryptography, which takes out the requirement for clients to utilize tokens or download the blockchain state to confirm exchanges. Clients connect with dApps on the IP convention without compromising security and versatility. Internet Computer is as of now worth $13.37 OST. IP has moved 124% as of now with an exchanging volume of $215,257,183. Internet Computer is as of now position 20 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $699,261,534 EST. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Internet Computer IP market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Internet Computer IP Value Expectation 2023. Internet Computer, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. IP. The IP cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $20.06. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $18.72 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. IP is supposed to have a base worth of $16.05. Internet Computer IP Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Internet Computer IP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of IP will before long outperform $33.43. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the IP's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wages. Taking into account the market instability, IP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $26.75 and a typical exchanging cost of $29.42. Internet Computer IP Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $46.81 and IP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. IP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $42.80 and a low of $40.12 in 2025. Internet Computer IP Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Internet Computer effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the IP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, IP will be green in 2026. The IP is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $60.18, with a base cost of $53.49 and a typical cost of $56.17. Internet Computer IP Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the IP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $69.54 by 2027, with a base cost of $66.87 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, IP has a greatest value worth of $73.55. Internet Computer IP Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $82.92. On the off chance that IP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $86.93. Neglecting to accumulate the help IP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $80.24. Internet Computer IP Value Expectation 2029. While IP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $93.62 and a yearly cost close above $130 in 2029. Internet Computer IP Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Internet Computer will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $106.99 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $113.68, averaging out at $109.66. Internet Computer IP Value Forecast 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas.